Hello, it's Owen here again at Tonic HQ, and our Cyber Week sale has kicked off in a big way. It's day 2 and I'm going to be telling you what's available on the store today. First up, we've got a wonderful scissor bundle for you. That's 4 scissors, cush grip handles at 75% off. Next up, we add some sparkle to our bundles with our Nouveau glitter markers. These wonderful pens create wonderful glittering and dazzling designs, and they're at 60% off today on the store. Our Craft Perfect offering today is 12 packs of specialty cards in different wonderful designs and textures, all at 70% off. And finally, we've got our Cyber Wednesday deals on everything from shadow frames to your mystery bundle. So check out all these deals on the Tonic Studio store today and look forward to day 3 of our Black Friday sales. So join me tomorrow for another video where I tell you what's available in our Cyber Week sale day 3.